Welcome everyone. Today, we will talk about an incredible product that makes losing weight easier than ever, SeroLean. SeroLean is a unique supplement that combines cutting-edge science and natural ingredients to help you reach your weight loss goals safely and effectively. SeroLean is designed to help you burn fat and maintain muscle mass, making it the perfect solution for those looking to lose weight while maintaining strength and vitality. This supplement works by speeding up your metabolism, increasing your energy levels, and reducing your appetite, all of which contribute to more effective and sustainable weight loss. One of the key ingredients in SeroLean is caffeine. Caffeine is a natural stimulant that has been shown to increase your metabolism and reduce your appetite. Combining caffeine with other active ingredients in SeroLean can achieve even more significant weight loss results. In addition to caffeine, SeroLean also contains a blend of natural appetite suppressants such as green tea extract, Garcinia cambogia, and cayenne pepper. These ingredients work together to help you feel fuller longer, reduce junk food cravings, and promote overall fat loss. SeroLean is also formulated with a complex of essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin D3, and B6, which help support a healthy immune system, improve mood, and reduce inflammation, all key components of a well-balanced weight loss plan. In short, SeroLean is an effective weight loss supplement that combines cutting-edge science with natural ingredients to make weight loss easier than ever. Thanks to its proven ingredients and effective formulation, SeroLean is the perfect tool to help you achieve your goals and feel your best. So why wait? Start your SeroLean journey today and experience the difference for yourself.